Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to reduce RAM usage in Windows 11. You can try these easy steps. What you can try first is to go on your Task Manager. Just right click here, Task Manager. After this, you can select programs that are running in the background and taking a lot of your RAM. Just right click on it in Task, but you have to be careful so that you don't remove system programs. What you can try, another thing you can try is to go on your startup apps. Go on your Windows icon, type in startup apps. Once you're here, you can disable programs that start up when your Windows boots up. So just turn it off. This frees up a lot of RAM. The third thing you can try for the final time, just go on your Windows icon, right click, type on run, and make sure you type in this services.msc. Press OK. Once here, you want to search for sysmain. Sysmain, right here. Then go on properties. Make sure it's on manual. Then click apply and then OK. You can try these few steps to reduce some RAM in your PC and you're done.